House Design Spot presents LiveWorkShare House by Bly Graham Architects. The LiveWorkShare House proposes a typology that enables sensitive densification of the Australian suburbs above latitude 30 degrees south. It sits between the scale of a detached house and low-rise attached housing on a standard narrow block. Addressing the post-COVID boom in working from home and the current housing crisis. It is comprised of a house, a small commercial office, and a self-contained flat, each with independent entries, privacy, and a strong connection to gardens. A series of single-room deep pavilions have been arranged around a central courtyard and are separated by micro-courtyards, offering all parts of the project excellent amenity and enhancing the flexibility of use with many permutations of program possible. The typological exploration was given contextual specificity with forms and materials that talk to the semi-rural village setting. Robust external materials including reclaimed timber and metal cladding, offset understated warm interiors of silky waxed and stained plywood, spaces of retreat that offer respite from heat and glare. The longevity of the metal cladding and roof ensures roof eaves are not required to offer weather protection. Solid aluminum awning windows ensure rooms can still look out into garden spaces during days with intense sun or rain. The ground floor concrete slab and sturdy blockwork walls offer a low-maintenance solution whilst acting as a thermal mass throughout the year.